Lorain airspace. Roger, Ranger 1. USS Kobe Steel Company bar mills in sight. Looks pretty impressive from up here. Going down for a closer look.
USS Kobe Steel Company bar mills, producing the highest quality world-class bars for generations of satisfied customers, now in the global 90s and for generations to come. The 22 acres under roof house our 10 and 12-inch mills. Driven by dedication to producing consistently highest quality bars, the first time, every time. The highly trained and skilled men and women work in precision teams, using modern machines, guided by the best technology, to produce coils and cut-length bars of unsurpassed quality, aided by strict adherence to statistical process control practices. The result, day in and day out, order after order, from hot-rolled quality steel bars with world-class performance, an impressive array of products, shipped to our customers for use in manufacturing such items as automobile suspensions and engine parts, gears, shock rods, axles, spark plugs, nuts and bolts, wire products, and more.
We are the world-class leader in bars, and I think if you would come and talk to our people out there on the floor, you would get the same feeling also. I think probably the best analogy that I can give to you is that we are in a Super Bowl as far as the industry is concerned. And in our industry, just like in the Super Bowl, you always remember the guy that comes in first. We want to make sure that we're always the winner as far as our customers are concerned. Come and visit us. See exactly what USS Kobe is as our customer.
USS Kobe Steel Company bar mills are actually two mills. Our 12-inch, which we are overlooking now, where larger diameters are rolled. And our 10-inch mill, a parallel operation where smaller diameters are rolled. The mills may look unremarkably similar. In fact, their flow is the same. Both mills feature computer-controlled no-twist rolling with alternate horizontal and vertical stands for improved surface. USS Kobe's no-twist rolling stands help produce bars with truer cross-sections and closer tolerances than many orders specify. Alike in many ways, but as we show, each has specific, unique capabilities. The 16-stand 12-inch mill rolls product from .750 to 3.063 inches, up to 1 standard tolerances. Now here is where the similarities end. The 10-inch mill is one of the only bar mills in the world that rolls XRT, extra restricted tolerances, consistently day after day. Diameters from .464 through 1.063 inches, with XRT tolerances within plus or minus 4 thousandths. Of course, such high quality couldn't be achieved without using the very highest quality billets that come to us from our computer-controlled state-of-the-art 6-strand continuous caster, or from our primary rolling mill, turning out a wide range of single converted rounds and round-cornered squares. The shot-blasted 6-inch by 6-inch billets for both the 10-inch and the 12-inch bar mills are MagnaGlow tested on all sides. Any imperfections are removed in a battery of 6 grinders, so that only a perfect billet goes to the bar mills.
Our intent at USS Kobe is to build the quality into the product, not to inspect the defects out. That way, we can assure our customers are going to get a quality bar. They're looking for the same things we're looking for in our billets, to be 100% defect-free. It encourages us because I think everybody always wants to improve. Constant improvement is our objective here.
USS Kobe Steel Company's new ultra-modern metallurgical testing laboratory plays a vital role in assuring that quality ordered is quality delivered. Complete metallographic testing, including a powerful scanning electron microscope, in a centralized facility delivering prompt results. The best technology and highest quality billets for the bar mills are useless by themselves. As we're proud of saying at USS Kobe Steel Company, people make it happen. People trained and training in the classroom and on the job. Newcomers and veterans, people from several departments, upstream and downstream, experienced in various disciplines, teaming up to share information and process techniques. People committed to a single goal, to build continuously improving quality into each bar rolled in our mills, precisely to our customer's order.
I like the people in the bar mill. Everybody is concerned with quality, and everybody out here wants to make a good product, a good quality product, a good bar, and we can all keep our jobs that way.
Let us show you what years of experience and 14,000 hours of on-the-job training and 4,000 hours in the classroom just in the first half of a year can do. The 28 to 40-foot pre-inspected, conditioned, properly identified, and carefully counted billets are delivered by rail to the bar mill's billet yard. The billets are stored here until they are ready for rolling in the bar mills. Proper identification is essential to furnishing the exact chemistry order. The process is continually monitored and tracked by computers, part of our on-time inventory control system. As the people empowered to do the job like to say, the only thing acceptable here is perfection. Next, one of 3 spark tests to verify chemistry is conducted at the charging table by a specially trained team member on every piece going to the reheat furnace. In addition to spark testing, care is taken to see that billets enter the furnace in proper sequence, according to the heat number and count for the particular heat. Both the 10 and 12-inch reheat furnaces are 6-zone computer-controlled natural gas furnaces featuring 5 roof-fired zones and 1 bottom-fired zone. The 10-inch furnace is capable of heating approximately 100 tons of billets per hour, up to an average of 2,150 degrees Fahrenheit. 12-inch capacity is double that at the same temperatures. Time and temperature are major factors in decarburization. The heater carefully maintains order separation through the furnace and assures that the proper heating has taken place by monitoring computer-generated heating profiles. Once the billets have reached the proper temperature, they are discharged for the rolling process, first passing through a high-pressure water descaler to help prepare a defect-free surface. The roughing mill is the next step for the billets in both the 10 and 12-inch mills, featuring 18 and 16 stands respectively. Both mills use what is called a no-twist oval round rolling practice that helps avoid laps or large section problems. The billets are never physically turned. A no-friction roller guide box centers the bar into the roll passes, preventing rollover. The top of the billet coming out of the furnace is the top of the bar coming out of the finishing stand. Following a head crop at the end of roughing and passing through the intermediate stands next, where further reduction is accomplished. The bar enters the high-speed finishing mill, forming loops for tension control. Electronic scanners monitor the loops and maintain the proper feedback for speeds, all the way back through the intermediate and rougher stands. Finishing speeds in the bar mills approach 35 miles an hour. As tension is continually monitored, so too is temperature through specially state-of-the-art pyrometers. Automatic water control systems for interstand cooling in both mills maintain finished temperatures for proper grain size as per customer order. While the 12-inch mill has a single finishing train, the 10-inch mill is equipped with 2 finishing trains. This enables us, while still using one side, to set up the other for the next size change. The mills fill both our customers' cut length and coil bar requirements. Coiling operations include post-product cooling water, essential for scale control. Quality concerns are further addressed right from the ingenious pouring tubes, designed to minimize friction through the entire coiling process to shipping. Part of our statistical process control techniques to verify that our process is indeed in control. Let's take a closer look at USS Kobe Steel's coiling operation. Currently capable of producing coil bar up to 2 inches in diameter. Our front trim facilities have been extended to increase coil processing capabilities 30%. Installation of an automated, smoothly functioning hook-to-hook transfer car with specially treated hook surfaces minimizes handling abrasion. The addition of new MagnaGlow and upset testing is improving quality. Covered coil storage areas eliminate deterioration. Modifying the runners on which coils sit to carefully cradle them in oak-lined troughs, minimizing damage and abrasion. A unique computerized bar coding system has been adopted to aid in tracking plant and customer inventories, as well as expediting shipping and invoicing. Construction of enclosed mill floor level shipping docks is enhancing shipping. All improvements are meeting and often exceeding the quality requirements of our coil bar customers. Product for cut-length bar users leaves the finishing stands for further processing on the walking beam cooling beds. Prior to shearing, all product is 100% spark tested to ensure proper identification. Optical pyrometers monitor the temperature of the bars. The information is fed into a computer that calculates the theoretical shrink factor, enabling the shearman to set the head gauge on the shears in order to cut the bar to the proper length ordered by the customer. After the product goes to the final inspection or processing area, and the product attributes are verified to customer quality specifications, the product is then carefully rebanded into bundles and lifted by crane to storage prior to shipping to our cut-length customers. Specially designed C-hooks convey coils which have been inspected and certified by final spark testing and bar coding to waiting trucks for shipment to our customers.
It is critical as we look out at the future, or as a customer would look out at the future, that he has a stable supply base producing absolutely the best quality available in the world. We are moving to that point today. Are we stable? Absolutely. Do we have the finances to do what we say we are doing? Absolutely. I think we have one of the best worker management relationships, a pride of ownership in our facility that is going to carry us forward in the future. I think if there is any customer out there today that does not have us as a part of his supply base, we would ask that he at least gives us the opportunity to prove everything that you have seen in this video.
USS Kobe Steel Company is a dynamic facility where a totally dedicated workforce is utilizing state-of-the-art technology and machinery and improving its processes to meet our customers' ever-changing needs and quality concerns. As part of our modernization, a new wire rod mill is going to be part of our bar mills in the future, featuring a walking beam furnace.
The proposal for installing a wire rod outlet on our current 10-inch mill allows us to expand our current quality, allows us to increase our productivity, which is important for our future, not only for us but for our customer base. The rod outlet itself adds an additional 14 rolling stands to our present 18 stands. This gives us more reduction, which readily improves our grain size, our scale formation. And the addition of a Stellmore conveyor allows us to have air cooling for certain grades or go into a retarded cooling mode for other types of grade applications, which greatly reduce the processing needed at individual customers. We will be able to produce 0.1 millimeter ovality, or in English terms, that's 4/1000 of an inch. This is important for most of the North American automobile market. That, coupled with the other attributes of grain size, scale formation, will go a long way in keeping our customers on the top of their areas. I think the way we put this project together, service to the customers and quality is the most important thing, and we're going to be able to attain them.
As an experienced bar producer, USS Kobe Steel Company, with its new wire rod mill, will have the ability to produce rod products to stricter tolerances, a distinct advantage for our customers as they continually strive to improve their processes and products in an increasingly competitive environment.
Ranger 1, you are departing Lorain airspace. Verified. World-class bars from a world-class company. Roger that, 1. Mission accomplished.